Please click the bell icon and you'll never miss any updates from my channel. And also please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Well, today we are going to be making chicken egg fried rice. So before we start, let's get to know our equipment. So to make chicken fried rice, we need some chicken. You see, some good quality chicken. Okay, smack that shit down, and we need half cut onion, nicely peeled and cleaned, and 3 cloves of garlic so that we get some flavor in it. And we need some eggs so that because it's egg fried rice. Come on, we gotta use some eggs for that. Now we finely chop this onion. Okay, make sure it's finely chopped. Don't cut your finger trying to chop the onion. Okay, yeah, now keep it aside. Now finely chop the garlic. Okay, the smaller you chop it, the more flavor it achieves, like the more flavor it gives out when you eat it. ठीक है, तब मज़ा आता है खाने में. Okay, make sure you don't cut your fingers because human meat is not part of this recipe. And now you cut the chicken. So cutting chicken is the easy part. Okay, see the juice, the chicken juice. So now you like slice it and make it into cubes, like how I'm demonstrating out here. Once again, don't cut your fingers because human meat is not part of this recipe. Okay, if you like human meat, then go ahead, you can chop your fingers if you want to, or otherwise I won't recommend it that much. Yeah, now you take a pan, you heat it up nicely, you add some butter, more flavor. Okay, you take some more. Yeah, focus, man, come on, Jesus, this camera. Yeah, okay, now you add some butter, you let that melt. Okay, spread it, coat the entire pan with butter nicely and evenly. Okay, that's nice, very cool. Okay, you hear that sizzling butter. Yeah, okay, use that spatula to apply butter all over the pan nicely and equally. And now you add the chopped onions and garlic.
Yeah,
now you
boy.
fry that shit. Okay, you like fry it properly. Yeah, just give it a nice spin or a stir. Okay, now let me focus this shit, because I don't know why this yeah, now it's focused. Okay, now you stir it properly, as you can see how I'm doing it out here. You want this onion and garlic to turn golden brown. If it turns black, that means you have gone too far. Now you add this pasta dressing thing. I like to add this because it gives this nice flavor to it, and also I want this recipe to be instant and easily available, so that if you're a lazy person like me, you can make it at your house. ठीक है, अब इसको अच्छा से मिलाने का है. You now like spread this nicely and evenly all across the pan. Okay, now that that's been taken care of, you can see the edges turn brown a little bit. You need to make it turn a little bit more brown. Okay, you don't want it to turn black, it means you have gone too far with the frying process. Now you add the chicken which you sliced previously. Okay, now you stir the chicken. It should be less pink and more whitish color, and you can smell it smells pretty good at this phase. You can add salt. I add really less salt because I have some sort of phobia with salt, so I don't like too much salt in my food. And also, yeah, you can always add less salt to your cooking so that you can add later on. Okay, according to your taste. That's why I'm adding less salt in this. Okay, now you squeeze this chicken so that the juices come out. Okay, juice निकलता है चिकन का और मज़ा आता है खाने में एकदम से. Okay, now you add leftover rice. The more leftover the rice is, the more flavor it has. Don't make sure the rice is not too leftover, or else you'll get food poisoning the next day. Okay, now you stir it, add some more butter just in case. More butter, more flavor, and more fun to eat. Now you stir it a bit more. Okay, the rice fell out of the pan, so I'm adding it. As you can see, I messed up with the heating thing, so the shit's starting to stick to the pan. So yeah, if you're an experienced cook, you can easily manage that. I'm not that experienced, I'm not even a cook, I'm just a student. Okay, now you sprinkle some red chili powder. ठीक है, थोड़ा मिर्च मारिएगा, मिर्ची से थोड़ा फ्लेवर आता है, मज़ा भी आता है मिर्ची डालने से. And now you add the aborted chicken fetuses, the nasty part. And also, if you're a bit like vegan, then it's time you quit this video. Come on, what are you doing here if you're a vegan? Now you mix this nicely, As you can see, the egg started to stick to the pan and it's a bit messy, but don't worry, it tastes good, I promise. It looks a messy but it tastes good. Okay, अपन खाया है, मेरे को मैं जानता है, मज़ा आता है. Now you add some soy sauce. Soy sauce always makes things taste much better. Okay, now you stir it, keep mixing it. The cooking is almost done. Once you see what you want to achieve is alien brain texture with this. ठीक है, alien का दिमाग जैसा बन गया तब you feel that, then you'll know that it's done, कि पक गया, that it's cooked. Okay, you can use a bread slice to wipe around the pan so that you don't waste the egg. And yeah, you don't make sure you clean up the spatula properly. And you can garnish it with some coriander leaves and some sweet tomato sauce. Now you give it a nice taste. This tastes good, man. And that's it for this video, man.